Abridged accounts, abbreviated accounts, filleted accounts, full accounts. There are so many things you need to consider out here. So here's a very, very, very quick overview as to why you might need one of those and which one you might like to choose. So abridged accounts are more detailed than the abbreviated accounts, which they effectively replaced. Still less detailed than publishing full accounts in that you don't have to publish net profit because the P&L starts from gross profit, and the balance sheet you don't have to include breakdowns or details of fixed assets, debtors and creditors, but you do still need to show movements on the balance sheet. The other option is to produce full accounts but then submit potentially filleted account. Now you have to have all of the shareholders' agreement to produce abbreviated or to submit filleted accounts. But in small businesses, the likelihood is that you as the director or owner are the shareholder or have influence with the other shareholders, so it's not usually an issue. So the filleted accounts really is just a scaled down version of those abridged accounts, in that you don't have to post any profit and loss, so you can remove that completely, and you can remove the director's report from the balance sheet. So there's a lot less information published and in the public domain whenever you produce full accounts but then submit filleted accounts to Companies House. So I hope that's helpful and helps distinguish all of those differences and all that crazy terminology that we've got.